How to pin a post on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin a post. Actually this is very easy, so please follow with me until the end of this video. First thing, go to your creator page on Patreon like this one. As you can see, this is my page. Now choose the post that you want to pin. I'm gonna choose this one right here, and all what you have to do now is so simple. Just click right here on this little icon. After you click on it, now click on pin it, and here, congratulations, the post is pinned successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.